Sana.
Your Excellency, our President, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, and let me observe all protocols. Nado ajafine nagenia ito gaine mwega na hede shiothe. Your Excellency, I want to take this chance to really thank you, together with the Deputy President, for standing with us in our morning time. Thank you, you have been there for us. When my son lost the father, it was really tough, extremely tough. I call him my son because indeed he is my son. Nilijua Methu akiwa university. So tumewalk na yeye this journey, and indeed he's my son. And I know what he has been through. Mgoga sana. So thank you for being there for him. We really are grateful. I want to bring my condolences to my son and mom and your family. I pray that God will comfort you. It has been preached here that God will walk with you, and indeed He's walking with you, because underneath you are the everlasting arms of God. So may peace prevail in your hearts. Asanteni sana, Your Excellencies, kwa kupenda Nyandarua. Indeed munatupenda. Asante sana. I want to really thank you, because during the time of Christmas, we've had 3 accidents involving 3 families. Moja iko hapa tu Githafai, where we lost 3 children. The mother is in a coma and the father has been affected mentally. And I really want to thank you, because this morning I got a call from His Excellency, the Deputy President, who assured me that you are going to stand with those 3 families. Asanteni sana, tunawashukuru. The other 2 families, one is in Ndaragwa and the other one is in Olkalau. The one in Ndaragwa, we lost 2 lives yesterday. And the one in Olkalau, last week, we lost 2 children from the same father. Thank you for standing with us. We really appreciate you very, very much. Kusema kweli, you promised that wewe ni wa kusema na kutenda. You came here, mkatuambia tuingie hii basi yako, that you are the professional driver. We believed in you, na tukaingia basi. Na kusema kweli, mumeshika hiyo. Monyitete kefarafio. Na sisi tuko hapo ndani. We know on the road, tunapata tu bumps tu kidogo. Lakini unatuambia mtulie, professional driver in control. So we have faith and we have hope in you. And hata watu wa Nyandarua hapa, sisi tunajua that under your leadership, Nyandarua will not be the same again. For many years, sisi ndio tunakuanga last. But I know that with your able leadership, Nyandarua hatutaongea tena maneno ya barabara, because I really thank you. Unajua barabara zetu zote ziko kwa kichwa. Hata ukisimama hapa utatuambia ile barabara unakuja ku lounge pale Oljoro Rock. And thank you for accepting to come back. we know hata maji yetu hatutakuwa na shida tena, because professional driver in control. Thank you so much. We know watoto wetu watapata kazi. And therefore, sisi wakati tunasikia hawa opposition wakiongea, tunajua kweli this is the end times. When the Bible says that they have eyes and they don't see. They have ears na hawasikii. Ni nani Kenya hii ambaye hajui fertilizer was 7,000 na sasa saa hii ni 2,500, unless sasa wewe ndio huo husikii na hauoni. Ukichukua ushukani, hatukuwa na pesa. We only had 98 million. Imagine a whole country. Now we are saying we have been able to pay our debts as a country because our professional driver is in control. We are really proud of you. Na tunataka kuambia, here in Nyandarua, we have total faith in your leadership. We are holding you and we are praying for you because we know together tuko kwa hiyo basi yako na unatupeleka pahali pazuri. So thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you for loving Nyandarua, and you are welcome all the time. Asante sana. Na huyu kijana wetu kwa kweli alitusumbua sana tukitafuta kura. You know, he's always been my friend. And even then, alikuwa rafiki yangu. Mi singeweza sana kumgonga. Nilikuwa nalete His Excellency, the Deputy President, Dede Nyoro, wa deal na yeye perpendicularly. Lakini alitushinda bana. And sahi alisema hawezi kuwa bali na sisi. He's with us now. He's working with this government 100%. And we are supporting him. Na amekuja kwa sababu hakuna Jubilee. Sasa asijui kama iko ama iko wapi, lakini yeye ako UDA ndani, lakini Jubilee analiangalia tu kwa bali. So thank you very much. You are most welcome to UDA. Thank you.
Asante sana mheshimiwa.